y'all, so I got this half wig from OQ Hair. I'm gonna try it out today and see how many hairstyles I can get out of it. Very cute packaging. It says crown yourself queen of hair today. The wig and a free gift. Let's see what's in here. The usual, a wig cap, some hair clips, and an adjustable strap. I got the Afro curly hair texture in 22 inches and 180% density. I love how this part is made because there's not like a track that you can see. It's like hair flipped over it. So that should help with blending. There's 2 combs in the side, an adjustable strap here, another comb in the back. There's a drawstring back here. I hate to take my hair down because I think it's so cute. Look how cute. But we gotta try this wig on. So the way my hair is parted right now, it's basically like ear to ear for this little section. So I'm actually gonna leave that out to start. Okay, for the back, I just put my hair in a ponytail and then pin the ponytail flat. It's a lot of hair. This hair is super thick, so I'm glad I didn't get 250% density. I'm gonna use Trelux just because I have like a bunch of bottles of these from them sending me stuff. So I'm gonna use the Soothe and Restore Curl Primer first. I love the way this stuff smells. Cute. Then the Curl Defining Mousse. These curls are so pretty. I don't know if it's gonna match my hair, but it's pretty. Okay, the curls are all defined. So now we can move on to the top. Since my hair is already parted like this, I think I'm gonna do a slick back first. Okay, so that's one easy style. I changed my shirt and put on some more makeup because I was looking a little dingy. This is the first style. It's so cute. It matches my hair so well, actually. Especially now that the curls are like drawn up. Okay, let's do another one. This one's low-key a fail because my hair in the front just don't know how to act. Like, it don't know how to act. I don't know. All right, y'all, those are all the styles I have time for today. So I'm gonna wrap this up. But yeah, if you're interested in this wig, it's in the description box below. But beautiful hair, very soft, very easy to detangle. I have gotten some shedding, but no more than I get with any other curly hair that I've used. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.